back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing my second add-on order from BOXYCHARM for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. For anyone who might not be familiar, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription box. The first level base box costs $25 a month and you receive 5 full-size beauty items with an average value of $175 per box. There are upgrade options. There's Boxy Premium and Boxy Luxe. If you're interested in that, I will link my unboxing videos so you can check those out from the most recent Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. But that's not really what this video is about. This video is about the add-ons. Any level box can purchase from the add-ons. And I bought a lot in the add-ons this month. But I was looking for things that might be good for Christmas or might be good for future giveaways. And most of the items in this particular order I specifically bought for giveaways. So let's check it out. Okay, our first item is from LUXIE. And this is the LUXIE Eye-Conic Eye Set. The LUXIE Signature Rose Gold Brush Line features premium soft synthetic bristles encased in a rose gold ferrule atop a chic pink handle, making them not only functional but a beautiful addition to your vanity. I got one of these in the last add-ons and I really want to keep it. So I added 2 more this time. So I could have one and I would have 2 for giveaways. These retail for $45 a set. They were in add-ons for $4. Next, from Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuacu or Cupuacu. If anybody knows, let me know down below. But it is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of cupuaçu butter and acai and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable. This was available in 3 colors. In the last add-ons, I got 2 each of 2 of the colors. I got Soulmate and Keep It Rio. I did get Keep It Rio in my box. I may have gotten Soulmate in another box. I don't remember. But just to complete the set, this time I got 2 of the remaining color, which is Teeny Bikini. These retail for $20 and they were in add-ons for $4. I got 2 so that even if I decided when I saw it that I liked the color, I'd still have 1 for giveaways, and it may be 2 for giveaways once I open them up and check out the color. Okay, next from PUREHEALS by Nature Village, this is the Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. This enriched, providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water-oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. And they say that this is a sleeping mask, and it's enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract, providing full nourishment and glowing skin. So you use this instead of cream at the end of your daily or evening skincare regimen. Leave it on overnight, rinse it off in the morning, and it can be used every night. It's 100 milliliters and it retails for $55. Add-ons for $6. I thought it sounded really cool, and I thought you guys might enjoy it too, so I got 1 for you and 1 for me. And the last item, see, I told you I didn't do too badly this time. This is from RODIAL or RODIAL? Again, let me know down in the comments. This is the Soft Focused Glow Drops. This is a skincare makeup hybrid, next generation wonder serum formulated to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. There's also antioxidants to deliver further skincare benefits. And look at that bottle. It's a lovely frosted glass bottle and the color is just outstanding. I did get one of these in my box, and one of my very loyal subscribers commented in that video that she had hoped to get them in her box, and I don't believe she did. So I went ahead and ordered one so that I could put it in a giveaway. I actually did get one in another box this month, so now I have 2 for giveaways. Although once I try it, if I really like it, it may only be 1 for giveaways and an extra for me. We'll see. Retail price on this is $60. It was in add-ons for $9. Again, this one was bought specifically for giveaways. So that's it. That's everything I got. I got 2 sets of the LUXIE Eye-Conic Eye Brush Set, 2 Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Lip Butters, 2 of the PUREHEALS Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask, and 1 of the RODIAL Soft Focus Glow Booster Drops. It cost me $37 before tax for all of this. Total retail value, $300. I mean, you can't beat it. There's an about 88% discount. Leave any comments down in the comment section. If you know how to pronounce Cupuacu or Cupuacu and RODIAL or RODIAL, let me know down below, because I'm saying them a lot lately and I feel like a gigantic idiot because I don't know if I'm saying them right. So if you do know, let me know. Leave any comments down in the comment section about what I got, what you got in the add-ons. Like I said, I still have some more coming because I went way overboard this month, but I've got some Christmas gifts and giveaways and all sorts of things coming up. So that was the reason why I did it. So most of the stuff is not actually for me, although there are a few. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And thank you for spending a little bit of time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe and be kind to yourself. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.